In the vast expanse of the ocean, a magnificent vessel cuts through the waves. This is Koru, the superyacht owned by Jeff Bezos. This is not just a yacht, it is a floating palace estimated to be worth over $500 million. Koru is a symbol of extraordinary wealth and luxury. Bezos, the founder of Amazon, is one of the world's richest men. His ambitious nature is reflected in his lavish yacht. Koru is 417 feet long, making it one of the largest sailing yachts ever built. The yacht was built by Oceanco, a Dutch company known for crafting exceptional vessels. Koru's exterior is as impressive as its size. It boasts 3 towering masts that reach for the sky. These masts support the yacht's enormous sails, enabling it to glide effortlessly across the water. For those times when Bezos prefers a swifter arrival, Koru is equipped with a helipad. This allows him to easily board and disembark the yacht by helicopter. But Koru's grandeur doesn't end there. It also has a unique feature: a support yacht. This smaller vessel trailing behind Koru carries all the extra amenities and equipment. This includes Bezos's collection of water toys, his helicopter, and additional staff. The support yacht ensures that the main vessel remains a haven of peace and tranquility. Inside, Koru is the epitome of luxury. Every detail has been meticulously designed to provide the ultimate experience in opulence. The interior design blends modern aesthetics with subtle hints of New Zealand Maori inspiration. One of the most impressive features of Koru is the private owner's suite. Reserved for Bezos himself, this suite offers unparalleled luxury. The suite spans a significant portion of the upper deck, providing breathtaking panoramic views. It includes a private deck, an elevator for exclusive access, and 360-degree windows to soak in the beauty of the ocean. Koru boasts a plethora of amenities that cater to every whim and fancy. For relaxation and rejuvenation, there is a fully equipped spa. An infinity pool on the deck seemingly merges with the ocean horizon, offering a unique swimming experience. For the active guest, a state-of-the-art gym allows for maintaining fitness routines even while at sea. Entertainment options abound, with a dedicated cinema for movie nights and multiple bars for socializing. A unique feature of Koru is the glass-bottom lounge. Located below the waterline, this lounge offers a captivating view of marine life beneath the surface. It's an extraordinary spot to observe the underwater world from the comfort of the luxurious yacht. Koru's support yacht is not just a luxurious add-on, it is an essential component of the superyacht experience. This 246-foot vessel plays a crucial role in maintaining the peace and serenity of the main yacht. It serves as a mobile storage unit for all of Bezos's toys and equipment. One of the primary functions of the support yacht is to house Bezos's helicopter. Rather than having the helicopter land on Koru, it remains on the support vessel. This ensures that the noise of the helicopter doesn't disturb the tranquility of the main yacht. It also frees up space on Koru's deck. The support yacht also carries all of Bezos's water toys, which include a collection of jet skis, diving equipment, and even a submarine. These toys can be easily launched from the support vessel, allowing Bezos and his guests to enjoy various water activities without cluttering the main yacht. The support yacht also carries additional staff, such as crew members, chefs, and maintenance personnel. This ensures that Koru is always in pristine condition and that the guests have a seamless and enjoyable experience. The presence of the support yacht allows Koru to maintain its sleek and elegant profile. Jeff Bezos's Koru is much more than just a luxurious mode of transportation. It is a powerful symbol of his incredible success and the rewards of his ambition. From humble beginnings with Amazon, Bezos has risen to become one of the most influential figures in the world. Bezos's journey from building bookshelves in his garage to owning one of the world's most luxurious yachts is a testament to his relentless pursuit of innovation and his unwavering belief in his vision. Koru, in many ways, represents the pinnacle of what can be achieved through hard work, determination, and a touch of audacity. While some may criticize the opulence of such a vessel, it is essential to remember that success is subjective. For Bezos, Koru is a tangible representation of his accomplishments, a reward for the risks he has taken and the empire he has built. Koru is not just a yacht, it is a floating testament to the power of human ambition and the boundless possibilities that come with it. It serves as a reminder that with hard work and a relentless spirit, extraordinary achievements are within reach.